A forklift is unloading heavy pallets off a truck.
Suddenly, for some unknown reason, the truck pulls forward.
For some unknown reason, the truck pulls forward. Because the forklift's forks are still holding a pallet inside, the machine gets dragged and tips over. Never take a shortcut near an open pit. This worker tries to squeeze behind a loaded truck using the tailgate like a handrail. When a latch gives way and the tailgate opens, he loses his footing entirely and falls. Working on steep slopes is extremely dangerous for heavy machinery. This excavator starts sliding downhill, and the operator tries to use the demolition arm as a brake. The heavy weight makes the machine tilt too far, and it crashes over. A speeding forklift loses a towed boat because the connection wasn't locked. To prevent expensive crashes like this, you must follow basic towing rules. Always double-check the hitch, secure the load with safety chains, and never drive fast when pulling trailers. Working as a tree feller requires constant attention. A perfectly cut trunk falls, but it hits a dry, dead tree on its way down. Because the worker looked away, he completely misses the second tree snapping and falling right into his workspace. Safety starts with respecting the danger zone around heavy equipment. Even when an excavator is standing still, a raised bucket can drop suddenly due to a mechanical glitch. If workers need to do their job in that exact spot, the machine operator must simply move the arm completely out of the way and lower the bucket to the ground. When massive trees are being cut near a street, strict safety control is required. Guards must be in place to ensure nobody can pass until the tree is safely on the ground. Because the road was left open, a cyclist rides right into the danger zone. Along a busy roadside, a sewer worker is performing routine maintenance inside a manhole. While the area appears calm and under control from the outside, a vehicle approaches nearby. The driver, unaware of the worker's position, suddenly moves forward. Within moments, a dangerous proximity forms between the vehicle and the work area, resulting in contact. Realizing the situation, the driver panics and reverses while nearby people rush to intervene. This incident shows how a brief lapse in attention can lead to serious consequences. In roadside work, the area must be clearly marked using barriers, cones, and warning signs to alert drivers in advance. At a magnesium facility in Russia, a maintenance team is inspecting a furnace system used for rare metal recovery. Large tanks containing volatile chemical compounds are located nearby. During the inspection, an unexpected reaction begins inside the system. A small spark quickly intensifies, illuminating the entire workspace and releasing intense heat. As the system starts to shut down, reactive metals inside ignite, producing bright bursts of light and vaporized material rising upward. Reactive metals such as magnesium and titanium can create extremely hazardous reactions if proper conditions are not maintained. On a calm afternoon, a woman set off in a car she had rented from a ride-sharing platform. Traffic was light and everything was going normally. She was relying on her phone for navigation. However, she glanced at the screen for just a few seconds while driving. In that brief moment, the vehicle drifted out of its lane. And when she looked back up, there was no longer enough time to recover. The car struck a roadside barrier and then came to a stop after hitting a fence. Using a phone while driving significantly reduces attention. When eyes leave the road, control can be lost quickly. For this reason, navigation and settings should be adjusted before driving, and the phone should not be used while the vehicle is in motion. A worker was sitting next to a machine processing metal rods, which was still running. While the process appeared normal, a metal piece suddenly shot out of the machine at high speed. The incident happened so quickly that the worker had no chance to react. When the object struck him, he was thrown backward. Being near operating machinery poses serious risks. Operators and workers must maintain a safe distance, and remote control systems should be preferred whenever possible. Full compliance with machine safety rules is critical in preventing such incidents. During waste disposal, a worker unknowingly threw a pressurized oxygen cylinder into the truck, along with other waste. At first, it appeared to be a routine operation. However, as the waste began to be compacted, the pressure inside the cylinder rapidly increased. Within moments, the cylinder failed and ruptured violently, creating an unexpected hazard. During waste collection and compaction, every load must be treated as a potential risk. Pressurized cylinders, batteries, and chemical materials must always be separated beforehand. In a residential area, a worker was using a post-driving machine to install fence posts into the ground. The work was progressing smoothly, with each post being placed correctly. However, after several impacts, the post struck an underground natural gas line. The pipe was damaged, and pressurized gas began to escape rapidly. Before any excavation or post-driving work, underground utility lines must be identified. Gas, electricity, and water lines should be located and marked through the relevant authorities. A group of workers was preparing to unload a heavy engine block from a truck. At first, everything seemed under control. However, due to an error in controlling the descent speed, the load suddenly accelerated and began moving downward uncontrollably. This sudden change created reverse force within the lifting system. Controlling speed during load lowering is critical. All lifting operations must be performed using properly calibrated equipment and controlled descent systems. Two workers were operating on a man lift at height. However, due to a malfunction, the platform was not descending. Shortly after, the man lift suddenly shook and made an unexpected movement. As a result, the workers lost their balance and were thrown toward the edge of the platform. A fall hazard occurred, but their safety harnesses engaged and prevented a more serious outcome. The use of safety harnesses is mandatory for all work at height, especially for work above 4 meters. This equipment provides vital protection. Additionally, platforms like man lifts should not be used in windy conditions, and the ground must be level and non-slippery. Two electrical workers were setting up a metal ladder near a power pole to fix a reported issue. As they positioned the ladder together, everything seemed normal. However, within moments, the ladder shifted slightly and came into contact with nearby energized overhead lines. This caused an immediate electrical discharge. When working near live lines, insulated equipment must be used. Metal ladders should be replaced with properly insulated alternatives. A safe distance from overhead lines must be maintained, and the ladder must be securely stabilized before climbing. This video captures a critical safety incident during a routine vehicle repair, where a worker attempts to lift a skid steer using a jack. Due to improper positioning, the heavy machinery suddenly shifts and tips over onto the worker in a split second, leaving no time for a reaction. Fortunately, nearby colleagues acted immediately, rushing to lift the equipment and assist their co-worker. Thanks to their quick response, the individual was freed from the machinery. This serves as a powerful reminder of the vital importance of following strict safety protocols when working with heavy equipment. It is essential to ensure that lifting points are secure and that backup supports, such as jack stands, are always in place. Constant vigilance and proper training are the absolute keys to preventing workplace accidents. and ensuring that every team member returns home safely at the end of the day.